Hey everybody, what we have here today is a vintage old Mauthe mantel clock. I date it probably 1950-ish, somewhere in there, give or take 10 years either way. But they're cool clocks. The one thing I always liked about Mauthe clocks was their style, their cases. They always stood out, definitely Art Deco-ish, really cool. One thing about the Mauthes that I didn't care a whole lot for was their gongs. It always seemed like you could never get them tuned in right. They always sounded tinny to me. And you'll see this one here, though. It's a cool old clock. Not bad on this one here, but like I say, I've had others and they just sound real tinny to me. A lot of you guys probably recognize that if you've had them off before. The little strange pendulum bobs that they have. But it's a good running clock, clean clock. We cleaned it up, oiled it up. Really nice part, the vintage clockwork. Make sure you check us out, vintageclockparts.com.